Hey guys, today I'm going to attempt to show you how to set up a device on AWS IoT and then send MQTT traffic to it. The first part will be that we will send the traffic to AWS. So I'll show you how to do that. So you can go ahead and go to AWS portal and then do do your login, sign into your console, right? I'm going to sign into the one I have. And we're going to, you can go AWS IoT here and then go into your console. And then you can go into manage and then go ahead and create a device. So these are the devices, well, these aren't devices, these are groups that I've created, but this is the device that I've created before, but I'm going to create another one. So I'm going to create a device, give it a name. So uh, you can go AW device to sim. So and then create a thing. All right, so that here it's created. So now you want to go into this thing right here and create certificates for it and download those certificates. So that's what we're gonna do. So we'll download that certificate right here. I'm gonna save it as device 2 sim. So I'm gonna go device 2. Okay. So let me just copy this right here. Copy. I'm gonna go save it into my AWS folder. I just, keep my folders in one area. So I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna save this right here. All three, all of these essentially. I'm gonna save those. Save that. Save this right here, and then download the root. Save link as. Hold on. I think we may have to go in. Yeah. I think I already have this, so I'm not gonna go. Yeah. What we can do is just download it. Save link as. um, root ca.pem. I believe that's what it should be called. So we'll activate that, and then attach policy. We go into this, and then we view one of these policies. I essentially want it to allow all traffic that's coming in to this, so we can just create, attach it to a policy that I have, um, and I'm done. Okay, it's done. And I'll just go back. Okay, it's not going back. Give me a second. All right, so manage. So you see the device to sim, right? So now we want to see if we can send MQTT traffic to it. So what I'm going to do is bring up Node-RED and bring up one of the Node-RED modules. Excuse me, yeah, nodes, and um, see if I can send traffic to this device to sim, and how we can set that up. All right, so I already have Node running in the background over here. So I'm going to go get a new node flow, bring an MQTT output node out here, double click. So I already have one set up, but I want to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go new MQTT broker, and then click this edit button. And then this server address is the uh, endpoint node where you get from your AWS IoT and then click on settings. That's the endpoint node. So you double click that and copy that into your local host. We're going to change the port because we have certificates for it. So that's going to be on port 8883. Then you're going to click on secure the transmission. And again, this was kind of going from previously, but I'm going to add a new one. So add a new TLS configuration and click that. And then use certificates from local files. I'm going to click on that and give it the path of these certificates. So let me go find the path. Give me a second. No, it's in here. Open AWS certificates. And so device 2 sim right here. So we are going to be um, getting these certificates. So first of all, I know I have the root certificate, so that's right here. So the path to that is right here. We'll control copy that, and it's called root ca.pem, right? So next one is a private key. So we copy that, control copy, paste that here, and the private key is right there. So let me copy that, control copy, and control V, and the certificate, control copy that. Let me put that here. Let me delete this private key and go here and put in the certificate. We'll rename it .tcrt. Yes. So copy that, control copy, go over here, go to the end, and control V, and then update that, and then here we can just arbitrary topic, so we can go demo topic to see if it does work. Click done, and there you go. So now let's see if we can send kind of a just a simulated traffic to this. Let's go inject, and what we'll do is let me bring this right here, generate payload. So I'm going to be sending a payload that I already have. So we'll control copy that, control V. Let me bring that in over here, and uh, actually let me just bring all these in. Control V that, send message. You just delete that. So what this is doing is it's generating a JSON payload that I'll be sending to the AWS IoT server via MQTT. And essentially, it's sending a few messages in JSON format, which you'll see in a second. So I'm going to be connecting these together, and I'm going to deploy it. So there you go, it's connected. So it looks like I was successfully being able to do that. So now let me go into the debug menu and then send this message. I don't have a debug. So let me bring this over here. Let me bring this over here and connect that up and send it. Oh, I didn't deploy it. Hold on. There you go. So that's the message it's sending to AWS. So now, how do we go about figuring out if this message was successfully sent? So what we do is we go back to this AWS IoT portal and connect up to the test menu, and then you subscribe to the topic, which in my case was demo topic, right? So what we'll do is we'll just put in capital D. It's case sensitive, I believe. Oh, okay. And then subscribe to that, and let's send a message and see if it gets it. Well, there you go. So it's a unique ID 700 500, and that was the message that we sent. So that's how you would set your AWS MQTT device up. Let me know if there's anything I missed. Thank you.